All right, my name is Joey, and I worked on the introduction and the three main factors of brand equity for our branding and consumer decision-making project.
And then I'm Matt, and I worked on the research and the conclusion of the project.
All right, for our instruction video, we will be covering how the decisions you make are influenced by the brand that is on whatever you're making the decision about. For instance, if you have two identical shoes, but one has a Nike logo while one has a brand you've never seen before, how do you make the decision on what shoes to buy? So when you think of a brand, what comes to mind? Is it the logo? A catchphrase maybe? What you create for the image of that brand is what you first will think of when you see a product in the store. This is an example of consumer-based equity that a brand hopes to form. Brand equity is formed through three main factors: brand positioning, integrating the brand into supporting marketing programs, and associations indirectly transferring to the brand. The general concept of brand equity is the added value endowed to a product or service as a result of past investments in the marketing for the brand. This simply put means that you may like Nike because of the name and what you feel it represents.
In an experiment tested by graduates of the University of Nottingham and Ohio State University, subjects were asked to rate their preference on a number of different unbranded clothing items, then to rank the same way with different brands. Next, the subjects were asked to rate on the same preference scale two items next to each other, one with the brand and one without it. Of this, the respondents overwhelmingly selected those articles of clothing in which the brand was present. Further, more well-liked brands were chosen at a higher rate than those not as well-liked, even when compared to a brand-absent article. In conclusion, the way you view a brand and how well that brand is positioned in your mind is certain to play a role in the decision-making that you do every day. It is important to understand this to help the consumer understand how their decisions are made.